What's up, y'all? It's Troy Trouble Jones. It's Thursday, weigh-in day. So I woke up today at like 173.4, so not that much left to cut to make weight. So what we're doing now is just getting into a hot bath with Epsom salt. The Epsom salt bath is better because it keeps my brain out of the heat, and I still sweat just as much. And it's also the Epsom salt that helps with the recovery and all the stuff that the running and all that stuff that I had to do prior to this point. So it helps recover my legs, still get a good sweat going. I mean, I only have 3 pounds, which is a piece of cake.
Cool. Easy peasy.
Made weight 169.6. Now we just wait. Here comes trouble.
Nah, we don't fight, we go to war.